Hello guys, in this video I'll be explaining you the importance of data, and guys, I usually shape my trades according to the data, that is by observing the open interest. And guys, I always used to tell you that for me the difference between the call open interest and the put open interest should be at least 35 to 40 lakhs. It can be negative or positive, but it should be at least 35 to 40 lakhs. And if it gives that, then I'll go in that particular site to trade. So here in this video, you can see that I've taken Fin Nifty trade on 30th of May, that is on Fin Nifty expiry day. And I have not taken any Bank Nifty trade, though Bank Nifty is my favorite. But I've taken Fin Nifty trade and I made a profit of 1.5 lakhs. Here you can see that I've taken the trade purely based on data. So you can see that how I manage my trade according to data, how I analyze data, everything you can watch in this video. And I have recorded whole live trading video and I'll be uploading it tomorrow. So first you can understand the reason why I took those trades, and then you can watch that video. So now let's watch the video. Okay guys, so this is the trade that I have taken on Fin Nifty expiry day, Tuesday, which is 30th of May. Okay, so this was the expiry. You can see this has become 0 and this is the strike price. This is the chart, it has become 0. So I'll tell you why I have taken this trade. Okay, so with the proper reason, logic, evidence and data, I'll explain why I have taken this Fin Nifty trade. And I was able to make this profit, and why I did not take Bank Nifty except a small trade here. But the beauty is that this trade I have picked at the lowest of the price. And if you see, I'll just show you the trade that I have taken. Okay, that I have picked at the low. So this is the buy, which is done at 163 and at 1122, which is the low of that particular strike. You know, this is this 11. This is the candle. So this was the law of Bank Nifty. That's exactly where I have taken this call. Okay, exactly at the low. But anyway, I was not confident, so I squared off the position, and then I was only trading Fin Nifty today because it was Fin Nifty expiry and the data was supporting me to take a trade in Fin Nifty. So today was a day where we could take good trades in Nifty and Fin Nifty, but not in Bank Nifty. The reason for not taking trade in Bank Nifty today is, if I want to take a trade, the trade must be supported by data. Okay, there should be some logic and there should be some evidence that it is going to give me 80% probability of success. Any trades where we get 70 to 80%, then we can bet on it. Otherwise, I won't do it. So some kind of evidence is required. The data should support us, okay, and the logic should also be there. But today, if you look into the trending OI, I'll just show you this. But before that, I'll show you the orders. I have traded this only at this time. This is very important. I started this trade at, this is my first trade. I have taken Fin Nifty at 11.10 and I closed this by 11.15. That was my first trade. So my first trade was over by 11.15, and this is the second trade, that is Bank Nifty. I've taken the next trade on Bank Nifty, okay, that I have taken this low. This is where I have taken, which is something everybody know that this is my favorite indicator, which is Camrela S3. Okay, I have taken the trade. But since the data was not that supportive, I did not hold it, though it dropped the high and it even closed the higher. That means I picked exactly at the low. If you see this, I have taken this trade. I was holding on to the trade. I picked exactly at the low. Not even here, not even here, not even here or here. I picked at 11.20. So you can see here 11.20. I am buying this at low. And I squared it off. It was a trailing stop loss which I kept. So I squared off that position. Okay. And then what happened is I bought Fin Nifty again. Okay. And then I squared it off by 12 o'clock. And that was my last trade. Okay, now this is where I have squared it off, 11.58. And this was the small Bank Nifty trade which I have taken to explain the concept of average. Because at times when I show a trade which is taken, here the average price and the LTP and the quantity, people will compare like the average price is this, the LTP is this, and then they multiply it with the quantity and come up saying that this should not be the profit, etc., etc. One thing that you need to understand is we get average price when the buy average of this and the buy average of this are combined together. Okay. But many people don't know that. So I have taken this trade to explain and to demonstrate that. Anyway, I closed that also in profit, a small profit of 5 points or something like that. Whatever it is, I closed in profit only. Now, let me explain why I did not trade Bank Nifty. Otherwise, when you guys see the video, you might think that I trade only in Bank Nifty. But today, the very small trade I took and I've picked the low, got some points, exited. And the major trade is Fin Nifty. So 1,41,000 is made in Fin Nifty. Now, if you look into this, let me look into the OI Pulse. Yeah, those who want to try this OI Pulse, I'll give the link in the description. You can just try it out. Not compulsory. Those who feel to try this, please use that link in the description. So I'm just going to the options, okay? So there are two reasons. If you look into the trending OI, let's start with Bank Nifty. If you remember in my previous videos, I have given a condition upon which I take the trade. So that condition is that in Bank Nifty, the call OI and the put OI difference should be 35 to 40 lakhs. It can be positive or negative. If it is positive, it is bullish. If it is negative, it is bearish. But simply positive and negative is not enough for me. 35 to 40 lakhs difference should be there. So if you see this is at 925, okay? And if you see this is not supportive at any point of time, 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs, 17 lakhs, 20 lakhs. As per my rules, the data is not supporting me. At no point it grows 35 lakhs. Then again it is coming to negative, 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 negative. It is not supporting me. So I'm not getting any trade in Bank Nifty except during this time. So this is where we have, they have crossed that. You know that a 1240 to 1250. This is where they have crossed my rule. That is 35 lakhs difference. 1240, 1250, this one around this level. Okay. But there was no possibility to take a trade because they are coming to 20 EMA support and they are coming to 100 EMA support. So this is one. Okay. So sorry, this one. Yeah, this is the level. Okay, but here I cannot take a trade because already you can see there is a support which is coming to support area only. This level is broken, then I can go based on that trade. So I did not take any trade after this. And I was looking at the price action if they break this level. If they break this day's low, I would have gone for put. Otherwise, no. So this is the only area where I got my condition satisfied based on the data. So the data is not supporting me on the Bank Nifty. Again, if we go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward, I'm not getting the condition. No change, no trade is possible like till 2:55, 3 o'clock. And after that, there is no need to look into this data. Okay. So till 3:10, this was like that. And 3:15 also, the data was like that. After that, it was changing. But still, this is the situation. So from morning, Bank Nifty was like this. Then why did I took a trade in Fin Nifty here? That is the point. Okay. Why I have taken trade in Fin Nifty? Let's look at Nifty and then we'll come back to Fin Nifty. If you see in Nifty, you can see here very clearly from the morning onwards, it is looking very bullish. 70,000. If you see in Nifty, you can see here very clearly from the morning onwards, it is looking very bullish. 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs, in that way 80 lakhs. And by this time, that is by 10:15, it has become 1 crore positive. So by 10 o'clock, Nifty has become 1 crore positive. 125, 135, Nifty become very positive. And then it started falling. Nifty suddenly started falling. Okay. Came to negative by 11:10. So just watch my trade time 11:10. So Nifty have come to negative. Okay. So please note this point. Nifty have come to negative. Let's look into Fin Nifty. So if you see this is a beauty. Okay. Fin Nifty was very good negative right from the opening. Minus 34, 55, 62, 62, 78, 82. So Fin Nifty is very negative. Right from the morning, it is negative. And by 10:30, it is 1 crore 28 and then 1 crore 46, 1 crore 56, 1 crore 72, 79. Look at this. Fin Nifty is very negative and it reached close to 2 crore also. Okay, so by this time, it is getting very, very negative. So when I saw this 1,70,000 and the way it is increasing, and around this time only we saw that Nifty is also turning negative, I decided to take a trade in Fin Nifty because Bank Nifty is flat. Nifty was very bullish, it is turning negative. Fin Nifty was very negative from the beginning, and Bank Nifty is also giving a downside move. You can see here, downside move coming, downside move coming, downside moves coming. Okay, so this was the move. So I have decided that I am going to take a trade in Fin Nifty because the data is supporting me and I was looking for some kind of retracement. So this retracement, though this is Bank Nifty chart, you can take trade with Bank Nifty chart also because Fin Nifty won't give you that good volume and other things. But I need to look at Fin Nifty option chart. But for Bank Nifty chart is enough to take the trade, Bank Nifty and Nifty. And here is where I have decided that it is retracing to 20 EMA. Perfect rejection on Bank Nifty. So this rejection on Bank Nifty helps Fin Nifty to give me very good reward. So I have taken a trade here. 11, this is a time. This after this candle only, okay, after this rejection, this is where I have taken the trade 11:10. If you see, so if you see the time, it is 11:10. So I have taken the Fin Nifty trade. I kept adding the quantities. So this is this much I have added. You can see, and then within 5 minutes I got the exit with 1 lakh profit. This trade itself gave me 1 lakh profit. There is a detailed video that I have recorded, the entire live trading video. I'll upload it tomorrow. Okay, so I'll explain the reasons now, but the entire video I'll update tomorrow. First, let's understand the reason and then watch the video. So this trade gave me 1 lakh profit. I hope you got the reason. If you look into the strike price, this one 19,550 PE. Look at that move. Yeah, this is the move. So if you look at the Fin Nifty strike price chart, it brought the VWAP, Supertrend and everything here. And then we are waiting for a retracement. It retraced to Supertrend level. So you can see very clearly it retraced to my Supertrend level. Last day also when I did that expiry 0 trade, I have told about the importance of the Supertrend and this pivot from there it bounced. I bought it here. This is the candle and this is where I bought because again it is coming above this VWAP. So I bought it here. At 11:10 you can see here the time and the price also, and it went to 72. So if the low is 35 and it went till 72 in just 10 minutes, I got an exit with 1 lakh profit, and then again it gave a retracement. This is where I bought again. I'll show you the trade. 11:30, you mark the time 11:30, and then again came to Supertrend, it bounced. So this is where I exited. Now look at this Supertrend, it bounced. Look at this Supertrend, it bounced. It gave move 2 times. If you see, I bought it around this level, I exited around this level. So this is the candle I have exited. You can see here the time, this is the candle 11:58, okay. So that is. And what happened? Now I have taken a call trade here, that is in Bank Nifty. Why I have taken a call trade? Because it is coming. Okay, it is coming to this day's low. Day's low can act as a support. Okay. Secondly, Camarilla support level is also there. So this is exactly at the low of the day. I have taken the call trade. That is a beauty, guys. If you see this trade, this 11:22 trade Bank Nifty, which I have taken, that I have taken exactly at the low of the day. If you see the strike price change, right? 11:22 time. Just see this. This is where I have taken the trade. This is the candle, and that is the low of the day of that particular strike price, and it went till 260. So I have taken the trade looking at the Camarilla S3 level, and that I picked exactly at the low. See, I'm talking with the data. I'm talking with the order book. I'm talking with numbers. And still some people will come and comment that this is cloned Zerodha app. I have nothing to tell them. Okay. That's okay. Always those losers will try to see things in that way. Whatever. Okay, now let's look into this. Okay, this was the reason why I have taken the trade, and the second trade I have initiated because I saw that 2 crore negative. So I hope you got the reason why I did not trade in Bank Nifty and why I trade in Fin Nifty. The small trade in Bank Nifty I have taken, that is because it came to day's low. I took that trade irrespective of the data because this is the level I can get a small support. In fact, that became the low of the day. So I hope you got some inputs related to how the trade can be done based on data. So Bank Nifty I have not traded because that data was not supporting me. So Fin Nifty I have traded because that data was supporting me. And at the same time I was looking at the Nifty and I was looking at the change which happening at Nifty also. So you see Nifty at that time was falling. Fin Nifty was already negative, guys. Right from the opening it was negative, but Nifty was going up very smoothly, but Nifty started falling if you see by this time. So this is at 11 o'clock and it is when it gave a retracement. This is when we have taken that Fin Nifty call. So everything is connected. Indicators, data, price action, okay, logic, everything is covered here. You need proper evidence to take a trade because the trade that you are taking should have at least 80% probability. So I know this rejection is possible and I've got a very good probability here. So I'm ready to book here. I'm ready to bet on this. So the evidence is there. Okay. So evidence is there. I went on Fin Nifty because you can see data is very much in supportive. See the time I have around 2 crore negative. So data is supported. Price action if you see it is giving clear down move even with a gap. Here you can see there is a gap. Okay. So that shows the demand. So price action is important, data is important, evidence is important. So this is what I mean by data and evidence based trading. Simply coming and taking a call trade or a put trade won't work just like that. Okay. So even though my favorite is Bank Nifty, I have not taken a trade in Bank Nifty. I don't consider this as a trade. This is the brokerage that I need to pay for this profit. Now people will talk about brokerage. Look at the orders 29. What is the brokerage? 580. Maybe some charges will be there, but I have taken trades and Fin Nifty transaction charges will be very less, hardly 580 brokerage. And 3,000 or 4,000 is what I need to pay. And I consider transaction charges as cost of doing business. I have no worries about it. But many others have problem with that. I'm not having any problem and I'm considering it as cost of doing business. Any business, you will have that cost, you know. For example, if you run a restaurant, you have to pay the rent, salary, etc. All these expenses are there like that only this. So because I'm getting this very good platform to trade, I'm getting a very good platform to scalp. So guys, I hope you understood why I have taken only 3 trades today. If you see, the good thing is that this is the first trade, Fin Nifty trade, okay? And this is the second trade, that is Bank Nifty, small trade, don't consider it as a trade. And this is the third trade, that is again Fin Nifty trade. First trade I have made a profit of around 1 lakh. And this trade, that is the third trade, this is around 90,000. And so that is how this profit has been made. Okay, I hope everything is clear now. The entire trading video, all these trades I'll be showing you, I'll be updating tomorrow. I have recorded that. You will see my psychology, how I'm holding and everything you will be seeing in that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. I hope I'm adding some value to this for the time that you are spending with me. In case if anyone want to try this OI Pulse for 1 month, please use this link which is given in the description. Okay, I have already discussed about trending OI and many are still asking me the way to add strike price. So if it is Bank Nifty, I add those strike price which is very close to this. I remove these strike prices. I don't want, because these are mostly used by the sellers to hedge. No one will buy this. Okay, at this you can see. So this is not going to give you any advantages for scalping. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.